Some trends come, evolve, and stay forever. And barn doors are the perfect example. According to the real estate website Zillow, having a barn door might help homes sell 57 days faster and increase the property value by more than 13.4%. And today on Designing Spaces, we will show you how easy and fast it is to install one. Adding a barn door is a fantastic way to improve your home. Visually, it adds such interest to the space. Aesthetically, it makes your ceilings look higher, and it creates a feature, a focal point, like a feature wall. We call it a feature door. Barn doors are essentially sliding doors. They move across the wall versus swing open like a traditional door would. They come in so many different styles and aesthetics. They fit any kind of home. Meet the Marino family. They want to make some home upgrades on their property without spending a lot of money or taking months in the process.
Hi, I'm Jamie Marino.
Hi, I'm Lois Marino.
We live in a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home.
And we love home projects. He is very handy, and I like to tell him what to do.
So we decided to do a home improvement and decided to change our closet bedroom doors to barn doors.
Yeah. We saw through a lot of modeled homes, they had some beautiful barn doors. So we decided to change out our guest bedroom and to change it from traditional closet doors to the barn doors.
A barn door project might seem stressful, but there is a company that has been innovating sliding doors technology for over 60 years and making the installation process seamless. Renon invented the very first sliding closet door system. The system has become a staple in the home and one that most consumers still use today. Renon has been designing and manufacturing doors since 1960. They operate across North America with manufacturing plants in Canada and the United States. Renon always starts with the customer first. They design doors that work in different homes and different businesses. Everyone really has their own unique style, so Renon tries to offer something for everyone, from traditional to modern to rustic and more. They use all types of materials, from solid woods to engineered materials. This allows for various budgets to be met. So how do we select the right barn door for our home? You start with deciding why you need the barn door. What are you looking to do with it? Are you looking for great design, or are you looking to solve a problem? Is it for a pantry, a closet, a walkaway, or just a standard doorway? This will help you determine what is the right barn door for you. What makes Renon a real leader in the industry is that they know doors. They have done this for so long. They make sure the process to change a door and add a barn door to your home is super easy.
The reason I wanted to purchase a Renon barn door is because I like to do projects around the home, and it seemed to be pretty easy.
Renon has a easy to install kit, and we didn't really want to hire a contractor to come in. So when we saw that, we thought, oh, it can't be that difficult. So we decided to go ahead, order it, and try putting it in ourselves.
With their new direct-to-stud solution, homeowners can quickly transform their space in under an hour. Renon's new Easy Install system is designed with the homeowner in mind, making installing a barn door a snap. No backer boards are needed, no special tools. Their direct-to-stud hardware makes it super easy for any homeowner to install a barn door in no time at all.
The complete barn door kit comes with all the hardware to install the barn door.
What was included in the kit was the brackets, the handles, all the hardware that you need to install the door. You find the stud on the wall, you put the 2 screws in, and that's it. Mounts the bracket.
Renon Innovated system has made barn door updates simple and efficient. At Renon, they design and manufacture products with the end user and the final application in mind. They always consider ease of use, time efficiency, and of course, quality. To find out more about how you can update your space with a Renon Easy Install Complete Barn Door Kit, visit renon.com. And of course, you can always visit us at designingspaces.tv.